want to learn how to edit your videos like this? Yes, my darling. Now, follow me. Let me teach you how to do it in CapCut. It is as easy as ABCD. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, comment, share, and put this video in your favorite, okay? Let's go. This kind of video and editing professionally, you open your CapCut, okay? You click on your new project. When you click on your new project, you're going to click on the particular video you've selected. Remember to use a stable like phone stand or tripod to do your video, so your video will be stable. That is the most important thing. We are going to be using two options for this. The first one is mask and the second one is background remover. Guys, when you bring in the video like this, you're going to select the video and delete the unwanted parts. All right, so I'm going to be selecting the video and I'm going to be deleting the unwanted parts. As you can see me carrying my stuff and be crossing. I'm going to start from when I enter the video. I'm going to click on this page and I'm going to click on split and I delete this first part because I don't want it. I'm going to click on delete. The second one is I'm going to scroll. I'm going to delete this place after I pick the clothes. Yes, this particular place. I'm going to split this place, click on split, and I'm going to still divide it when I've collected the clothes. All right, when I've collected the clothes, I'm going to remove that particular place. Yes, I'm going to still be this place. I've come back. I'm going to click on split. I'm going to delete this middle one because I don't need this, because I want my video to be like this. Yes, I'll still be there. Now I'm going to go back. I'm going to split the video here, split. I'm going to go back. I'm still going to go back. This place I was changing. I still left my video counter, so I was changing to the other clothes I needed to use to do the transition. I'm going to delete all the unwanted parts. So here, yes, I've come. So I'm going to delete from where I was squatting down. I'm squatting down. So I'm going to delete. I'll click on split again. I delete the middle one because I don't need this one. Now I'm going to click on this one. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to overlay it. So I'm going to overlay it. I'll click on overlay. I'll select the video and then I'm going to click on overlay. So as I click overlay now, as you can see now, I'm going to adjust the video. Click and hold and adjust it to come in that place you dropped that clothes. Yes, I'm going to bring it back. All right, so here. So I think here. Yes, so I'm going to bring it. This is what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to adjust this one a little bit. Now I'm going to, this was not overlay. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to now go to max. That's the first one we'll be using. We're going to go to max. We click on max. We're going to use horizontal. Once you select horizontal, it should be like this. You now use your finger to turn it like this. Now you shift this particular thing to the middle between those two people. Yes, just like this. Yes. Once you do it, it's going to appear like this. And this is okay. Now you're going to click on your play. Alright. This is it. As you can see, the two people are there. Your body would know what happened. This is the video. Yes. So you don't allow the video to exceed each other. So you're going to click on split and delete the unwanted parts. Alright. You should be having this at the end of your video. This is for the first one. Alright. Once you're done, you're going to export your video. Alright. But before exporting it, let me quit it. Before exporting it, come in between that particular place, overlay, and add your sound. You're going to click on this sound. You're going to click on this sound effects. You know, look for the sound that would be okay. Let's try this one. Appearing something. I'm going to use on this one. I'm going to make sure that it is between this overlay. Alright. Let's see what we have here. We're going to click this one as the cloth is lying down, and this particular overlay, you still have to adjust this. Like when you are getting up so that nobody will notice what is happening. All right, you still adjust it. So we have something like this. That is the first part. That is the first part. After exporting your video, after this, you can now export your video. All right, you export your video. And when you are done exporting your video, you should have something like this. But we are going to still go over to CapCut. Let me show you the second way of doing this particular video. What is the second way? All right, I'm going to remove this marks of a thing. We're not going to be using marks now. All right, so let me go to marks and remove it. Now, when you are done overlaying it, what are you going to do? You're going to click on that one you overlaid. Then you are going to click on background removal. You're going to click on remove BG. That means remove your background. Now you're going to do it auto removal. Now, when you do it auto removal, it will remove by itself. As you can see, it's already there. So now you can even adjust it. You can even adjust it to suit wherever you want. All right, so now let's play the video and watch. All you need to do when you are done adjusting is to do what? Once you're done adjusting, you make it a little more believable. I'm going to still keep it here. So this is the second way. After you are done, what do? You export, but you check at the end whether it's okay. Then you export. All right. So guys, I believe by now you are expert in transition video. Make sure you follow, subscribe, and share.